And she's said to be making about $10,000 per month with $7,000 in profit. So no matter where you live, there's a good chance that you could use some extra cash. So the ability to find profit in your small town is one I think is really valuable in recession. Although most of the videos on this platform on side hustles, business ideas, kind of like focus on big cities dwellers, while small towns are not necessarily known for their booming economies, but there are still plenty of side hustles opportunities that could fetch good money. And in this video, I'm going to share with you 6 side hustle ideas that will make you big money in a small town. According to research, self-storage has been one of the fastest growing categories of commercial real estate for the last 40 years, and it's acclaimed to be a 50 billion a year industry. So you can also tap into this industry and start making money if you have some unused space in your home or your garage. So the way the side hustle works is the neighbor self-storage platform connects people with storage needs with those who have extra space. So if you've got some excess storage capacity, that's where the side hustle opportunity comes in. Because when you register as a neighbor host, you can list your space. And this could be your garage, driveway, basement, bedroom, shed. No matter what storage size is, just go ahead, list your space, list your price, respond to renters, and schedule a move-in. And looking at the platform, there are really good reviews from different renters and hosts. And some of the cool things about the platform is that they have $1 million in free coverage for renters. As a host, you can choose when and how renters use your space. They also guarantee to cover the payment if your renter doesn't pay up. So I believe this is a very cool side hustle where you get to earn monthly without having to stress about anything, and it's totally passive. So recent statistics reveals that customers return 15 to 40% of products that they purchase online due to wrong items, products didn't match description, product damage upon arrival, and different other reasons. So reselling this furniture's return is another unique low-risk side hustle that brings a lot of money. So you may ask, how does it work? Where does the money comes from? And what's the cash? Well, established in 2012, ShareTown is a leading provider of what's called reverse logistics. And that's what happened when buyers of online furniture decide they don't like it. And here's where ShareTown comes in. They partner with furniture brands to handle the pickup, redistribution, donation, disposal of this furniture when customers aren't 100% satisfied. So where the side hustle comes in is in the redistribution part. And how this works is you join ShareTown as a local reverse logistic representative. So when customers decide that they don't want to keep the item, you get dispatched to pick it up, clean it up, photograph it, and list it for a resale on sites like Facebook Marketplace or any other alternatives. So a ShareTown rep shares her experience how she reportedly earns between $3,000 to $4,000 per month, and she only spends about 6 to 10 hours per week, and that worked out to be $75 per hour. And on the ShareTown site, they also highlight a handful of other reps earning anywhere from $800 to $3,800 per month. And the cool part of this side hustle is that you can sell this furniture at your own markup price, and you don't also have to pay ShareTown until the item is sold. So most times when people are moving into a new city, they mostly want to get rid of some old items or furniture and probably upgrade it to newer ones. And that's where the side hustle comes in. That's where you can get cheap undervalued items at a lower price, clean it up and sell it at a much higher price. So the model of this side hustle is finding larger undervalued items around your locality and making big profits by reselling them on a larger marketplace. So like every side hustle that has its own downside, so are the good side. And one of the flippers recounted her experience, how she made a huge profit on a motorcycle sidecar. A cool looking convertible model she picked up for about $200 and ended up selling it on eBay for about $3,300. That's a huge gain right there. And she's said to be making about $10,000 per month with $7,000 in profit. So sourcing items inexpensively makes flipping a very low risk side hustle business to start. Worst case, you always at least recoup your costs. So based on research, there are likely over 1 billion pets worldwide. Families in the US, Brazil, EU, and China alone account for over 500 million dogs and cats, while more than half of the global population is estimated to have a pet at home. So among these families with pets, there are busy workers and families taking holidays who just need someone to take care of their lovely pets while they are away. So if you love pets and you like to play with them, This is another side hustle that could actually fetch you good money. And how to get started: you can also register on a site called rover.com, where they can match you with people needing these services. So I'm not sure there's anyone who doesn't like good food. I mean, we all like good food. So if you enjoy cooking, or you see yourself helping other people prepare their meals, this could be a good way to monetize your cooking skills by becoming a mobile chef without the need of starting your own restaurant. By doing this, you can earn cool cash weekly, delivering prepared meals to clients in your locality. And to get started, you can also check the site called hireachef.com, where they can connect you with families and events looking for private chefs. So with these skills, you can start making money without much investment involved. So another cool side hustle that could fetch you money, whether you are in a small town or you are in a bigger city, is offering to repair cracked phone screen. The current numbers of smartphone users in the world today is 6.92 billion, and the people pay as much as $100 to $300 just to replace their smartphone cracked screen. But the glass itself usually costs $25. So this is one of the side hustle skills that you could actually pick up, teach yourself, and start offering to help people and make money while doing so. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this kind of video, please leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly click on that subscribe button and support the channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe.